Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're doing a bit of freehand chainsaw milling, and step one would be getting the log locked in so it doesn't move and that it's off the ground. Now this one someone has started before and it's pretty banana shaped, but we'll do what we can. We just have to make sure that this is 90 degrees totally level, because otherwise the plank will be off. So we've just moved it onto these logs just to get it off the ground. But the way I normally do it, which is what I'm going to do right now, is bang in some poles, drill it into the side, and then at least it'll be off the ground and you won't hit the floor with your chainsaw. Got 3 of these poles, and all I did was put a couple of holes in here, and I've got some long bolts or screw-ended bolts, whatever you want to call them, and yeah, we can drill that into the side of the log. That's 2. Now this log is a bit longer than I expected and obviously heavier, so if I knew I would have probably gotten 4, maybe 5 poles, but this might be okay. We do have it propped up on these wooden stakes, so really all we need is for it to hold it so it doesn't slide. So these are the things I'm going to screw into them. Right, so they're all in. Now some people have asked me in a previous freehand chainsaw milling video what happens when you come with the chainsaw so you don't hit those steel screw bolts, whatever you want to call them. So what I normally do is, when I come too close to where they are, I just undo this one, leave it on 2, cut that piece, stick it back in, take off the middle one, cut that piece, and at least you always have 2 points of contact that's holding the log up. So let's mark it up and start slicing. So I want to cut 1-inch planks, so I'm going to put the nail at 2 inches, so then I can run along parallel to it without actually moving the string, which helps me guide me. So that's about 2 inches. That's not a bad first cut. A few marks here and there, not too bad. That is not bad at all. I think this is the biggest piece I've ever milled. That looks pretty sweet. So now I'll just cut along this line. I can take those nails out. Alright, another slice done. Pretty happy with it, especially since there's parts where the bar is too short. So it's definitely the thickest and the longest tree I've ever tried to mill. Very little marks. Booyah. Okay, down to the last slice. So I've taken out this screw that holds to this stake, so I can cut this once I've gone through, take out the middle one, put it in there. Okay, pretty close to the middle bolt, so I'm going to take it out, put it in there. Okay, now I can put the middle one back in. And keep going till I get to the last one. Take it out. Same again. Close enough. And finish off the slice. Is this the only thing holding it? Yep. Booyah. Done. Not bad. Wow. That's pretty good, that last one. Okay. Well, that's it from me. Hopefully today you learned how to keep your log in place throughout the whole milling session, which is really important if you want level boards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers guys, bye bye.